So, I have my 4002 and the 2001 both connected to battery. And I just barely put this with the trim plate and everything on a back box. So I have two new 2903 9001s with 9838s, and they both match very, very closely in pitch. So I'm gonna run this one on the 4002 alone for a bit. I'm gonna silence it. I'm gonna put that one into alarm. Then I'm gonna silence it. Then I'm gonna trip both. So yeah, let's do this one first. Nice. Now, the 2001. Nice. And now both. No. Bruh. Now, this is normal, except for this zone card acts funny because it doesn't seat correctly. I need to work on the socket for that. This one doesn't have a AC transformer, so it has an AC power fail. Hence why the green light isn't on. If it had the green light on, it would clear the troubles, and it would be a normal 4002. Unfortunately, those transformers are really hard to get. But yeah, fire alarm equipment, real fun.